What do the Eiffel Tower, Gelato, and Real Madrid have in common? They are all iconic symbols that epitomize Europe. Today, let's learn how to say Europe in Chinese. That's Ōuzhōu. Zhou here means continent, while O is part of the term that describes the continent. This year marks the 20th anniversary of the China-EU Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. Over the past 20 years, the volume of China-EU trade has soared nearly ninefold. At present, the China-Europe Railway Express service stretches across 217 cities, spanning 25 European nations. China's recent implementation of visa-free policies for citizens from several EU countries represents a new stride in fostering closer ties among people from both sides. These notable developments fully reflect that 中国将欧洲视为全面战略伙伴和多极化中的重要一极。China sees Europe as a comprehensive strategic partner and an important pole in a multipolar world. China and Europe should be viewed as partners rather than rivals, as their shared interests far outweigh any differences they may have. The pursuit of Chinese modernization and European integration are strategic choices that China and Europe have made, respectively, with the future in mind. It is crucial for both sides to uphold mutual respect and support, and leverage the complementary nature of their development strategies for common progress. The bigger the pie of China-Europe cooperation is, the more prosperous their businesses and people will become, and the faster the world economy will recover. Europe, 欧洲，你学会了吗？